Welcome to this guide on DocuSign. DocuSign allows you to securely sign, initial, and send PDFs electronically, replacing traditional paper-based processes. Instead of printing, signing with a pen, and scanning, you can complete everything digitally from your device. DocuSign is used by over 1.1 billion people worldwide, making it the leading platform for electronic signatures. Electronic signatures created with DocuSign are legally binding under laws like the U.S. e-Sign Act. This video will guide you through adding signatures and initials and sending documents securely using DocuSign as of December 2025. To begin using DocuSign for electronic signatures, you'll first need to create an account. You can sign up for a free trial directly on DocuSign's website, which gives you access to all the key features we'll cover, including adding electronic signatures, initials, and sending documents securely. The free trial provides access to a user-friendly dashboard where you can manage your documents and templates. During setup, you'll adopt your signature and initials for legal binding electronic documents. The free tiers support processing up to 100,000 documents per month. Visit DocuSign.com to get started with your free trial today. Once you're logged into DocuSign, locate the Upload section on the main dashboard. Click the Upload button to begin the process of adding your document. A file selection window will open. Browse your computer and select the PDF document you want to sign. DocuSign supports various file formats, but PDF is the most commonly used for signing documents. Before uploading, make sure your document is properly prepared. It should have clearly marked fields for signatures and initials where recipients need to sign. This ensures a smooth signing process. After uploading your PDF, DocuSign's drag-and-drop interface lets you add signature and initial fields. Select the signature or initial option from the toolbar and drag it to the desired location on the document. DocuSign's AI-powered form field detection, launched in late 2024, can help automatically identify where fields should be placed, reducing signing time. To apply your electronic signature, start by clicking on the signature field you placed on the document. This activates the signing process. DocuSign will then prompt you with the Adopt Your Sign screen, where you can create or select your signature style. You have three main options to create your signature. First, you can draw it using your mouse or touchscreen for a personalized, handwritten look. Second, you can type your name, and DocuSign will generate a stylized signature from the text. Third, you can upload an image of your existing signature, such as a scanned handwritten one. Choose the option that works best for you. Once selected, your signature will be applied to the document field, creating a legally binding electronic signature. Adding initials works in the same way. Click on the initial field, select or create your initials, and they will be placed on the document for additional verification. To add recipients and send your document, click the Add Recipient button in the DocuSign interface. Enter the email addresses of the people who need to sign the document. You can add multiple recipients as needed. If necessary, specify the signing order to control the sequence in which recipients must sign. Once all recipients are added, click the Send button. DocuSign will send an email to each recipient with a secure link to sign the document. DocuSign uses enhanced security protocols, including zero-trust architecture and quantum-resistant encryption to counter emerging cyber threats. Recipients receive an email with a link to the document. They click the link to access the document for signing. Once accessed, recipients review the document and see the signature and initial fields that need to be filled. They follow the prompts to add their signature and initials, similar to the sender's process. Mobile app enhancements support biometric authentication, like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning. Once all recipients have signed, everyone receives a completed copy of the document. DocuSign ensures document security through 256-bit SSL TLS encryption and digital certificates, making signatures legally binding under laws like the U.S. e-Sign Act and UEDA. A tamper-evident seal confirms documents haven't been altered after signing, while regulatory compliance covers global standards including GDPR, CCPA, and the EU's eIDAS 2.0 framework.